Oh, we know all about that show. That's the only thing you watch. Somebody tried to show that to our daughter.
Kayla, defend. When you turn over, you have to help.
Oh, it could be a diving pool.
Love that, Nona. Ori, you can check too. Come on, Kayla. Switch us out. Carry! Carry! Michaela, you can carry! Michaela, if you're not under any pressure, libero, okay? Drive with the ball.
And then he had a stroke. Nothing sad really happened. You can't write it. That's pretty sad. I'm like,
Go play out. Play! Carry. Good, nice try, Sil.
Nice, Naya.
Cool, Naya. Carry. That's it, drive.
There you go, Kayla. Way to go. Nice, nice ball. Pull up.
Okay, Sammy, you're going to take from this side with your right foot.
How you doing, Carly?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. No, he got to stay and play just for him, so it's one for him.
Hard to maintain.
We don't belong.
No. He needs to learn. I mean,
You don't play along.
Check two.
yeah. I'm kind of being a cop's kind of like super predator.
Yeah, you know, if I were to do things like my son especially. Don't break it. Don't do what little boys do. Alright, you're normal. You're a little kid, you know. Now you're good. Good job, Kayla. Go. So what are they doing? We don't think we're good. So you have to be brave. So for you, the centre backs are the you've got to be brave. You're on the ball, drive forwards, draw them to you.
How about this?
Yeah, you certainly have to.
Good, find a pass, one touch, well done.
Nice crossing.
First step. Kayla, call. Good. done, Naya. Well done. Good,
Iris, hey, Savannah's right there, let's play it. Listen, Savannah, come here, pass to them.
We're all doing it.
Receiving it, looking at our goal, right?
Sammy, watch one do what? Walk like that. It's moving.
Good save, good decision.
Go, Laurie. Hey, Hawks players here.
Where they end up in the nasty waters.
I'm keeping the space for it.
Great three balls, Caitlin.
I am finally settling it. I go yeet! Ah! My face rock! What?
Forward. Yeah, well done. Well done. Hey, now, let's keep working here.
Easy, easy. And carry.
Well, there's been like there's
Turn. Ori, go behind her. Ori, that's it, in there.
Now you engage, Ella. Jerry, go ahead.
Beautiful cross,
So
eh?
Naya, Michaela, they're not pressing you, so dribble out, draw them, and then play. Okay, like what you did there, Michaela, was perfect, okay?
Look, no waiting, ball. Go, break lines.
Sammy, you've got it. Nice job, Sammy. You're doing
but it's like
Hey, wait. And turn and play. Sorry, Bailey. Go, Dare. You got her. Hey, Bailey. Come on.
Naya, zone 14. Michaela, goal side of this one. Naya, you can step higher.
Be aggressive. Let's go. Come in. A little higher, London.
no, I don't.
Go on, girls, we move, we talk.
Yes, Sammy, go find it. You're good?
You got this, Ari. Turn.
I found a ton of them.
You right, man, she's tired. From the first game. Were you tired from the first game or because you were up all night? No, you were so naughty. We knew you had a game. You knew you had 2 games.
I only found it. I was like, I only found it.
Good. Girls, hold the edge.
Because there's so many weird laws.
5 passes. Good.
I found the one. Wait, did you?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Holly, watch here.
Yep.
Good. Can you break lines?
You get access to all the different
My bad.
It's a nice idea. Hey, Ori, that's where we want you making runs, okay? Excellent, Sil. Well stepped in. Well done. Naya, help her. Naya.
I found a big one.
Sam's ready to go to this one, yeah? Ready to step to her?
He was three.
Okay, Michaela.
You got a pet rock?
Now I'm finding my own chisel. Ah! My own paint chisel. I have my own chisel. Just allowed.
And then Mason take out. Show itself. And carry. Carry.
Chisel.
Yeah, no, check in and try to. So, if this was an 11 side team, right,
Oh!
now,
Try, Kayla. There you go.
Good, Naya.
Mark Naya.
I touched the food. Oh, wait, I didn't.
Okay, on the halfway goal.
You tell her what I think. I tried to. What are you doing, Sal? Are you gonna go bring him some waters or something?
Ari!
Oh, you're gonna play?
Sylvie!
You okay?
Good job, girls. Way to go.
I've got the time if you need, Raf. I'm timing it.
These ones, come on. I found one for furniture. I found the chair for furniture. I'm just gonna make sure I'm just
trigger. Michaela, where are you going? Good. No, it's defensive mid. Carry. Kayla, move to receive.
Man on.
Split.
Yeah, where you going? Going, Kat.
I'm just gonna keep it.
Cassidy.
Carry.
Dropping. Now you can step.
Hey, come show Emily your tattoo on your arm.
That's not a tattoo.
Are you sure?
Your Sharpie pen on your arm.
Come show.
Show what I did to you. It's lasted many days. We went on Thursday.
Now you're not seeing
Do you know your
Stop it!
Got it.
All right, Sammy.
Well done, Savannah. Right, nice try, you're okay. Keep practicing. Indy, don't tell her name. Indy, if you would have called space instead of saying her name, she would have played it. Okay? Tell her what you want. Good. Show Naya. Head check as you go, Naya. Okay, good. Kayla, step this way, but Kayla wants. Like it. Good. Indy, try to find. Ooh, Michaela. Come on, Avery. Like that, like it. Well done, Nona. Naya, really demand it off her, okay? I hear you talking, but demand. Okay, good. And carry. Go on, drive. You're covered.
Good pass.
Hey, Holly, look at that one. What are you doing?
Where's my chisel?
Naya, stay inside a bit, don't go Michaela. Look, Stella's doing it. There's not pressure on her, so she's okay.
Go!
Stay with it, Indy. Try.
Okay, girls, so if you're the coach, what would you say to your team at half time? What would you say? What do you need to do? More of, less of?
My beautiful skin!
Yeah, so that's a good one. And what else do you think about our passing? So we do have majority possession, don't we? Right? What I would say is to move the ball that little bit quicker.
Good try. Keep it off the move.
They're constantly in defensive balance. They're not pressuring you, so there's not much space in behind. So that means they've got to move it. Quick, 1 and 2 seconds.
This needs a little stabby cut. Stabby cut. Easy trick.
Kayla, we show. Mason, step higher, step higher. Step up, you two, step higher. Step higher. You don't have to stop at the halfway, keep going.
No, that's right. Ow.
Naya, get closer. Easy, 5 passes. Like it, well done, that's good. Look to switch out if we can. Good. Carry! Naya, step up. Stella, talk. Got split! Split! Sammy, head check, watch forward. Third, and carry! Make a run. Carry. Good, 5 passes, just pass. That's good. Nice try, you're okay, that's good.
Try.
Come on, Kayla, up! Not side on, okay? Insteps, get your insteps on it. Call Stella. Head check, Stella. No, that all came because you're trying to play. Listen, the one who hasn't got the most time and space. Who had the most time and space? Michaela, just play her. Keep it simple, okay? Carry, Kayla, get up and in between. Kayla, get up and in between.
Watch for the foul. Should I come there?
Keep going in. Call Indy.
Cassidy, you're the other one.
Oh, there you go.
I know, it's a wristband. Yeah, look at me. Good, so now is the trigger, okay? Sammy, come on, it's open. Yeah, not too bad, that's it. Yeah, they're 3 Yeah.
Go, Stella.
Check 2. Yes, I knew. Guys, check. Yeah, it's halfway down the line. Nice, man. Keep going, Andy.
He's just trying to get them to get defensively prepared. And it's great, so the centre backs get it, and they're having to drive out with it. It just creates a new problem. Naya, step up!
You wanted me to do that.
Usually they have some pressure when they just play them. It's good for them. It's nice to have, like when I was in England working with the youth academies, one coach would say, yeah, we're going to sit deep, we won't put any pressure on, and then second half we're going to press you, and you just like, oh, it's so much fun when it's like that, because you're just presenting new problems, constantly, yeah, and sometimes like when the team was fantastic, they could say to us, like, we're going to play out from the back, press us, press us as hard as we can, and we are going to play out from the back, you press on us, and it's fantastic, like, you put your own team under some pressure. It's nice that they're getting a new problem. Drive. Good. Keep driving.
Nice pass, Stella.
They're only developing players. They're not saying play. They want to play out to the passes, but if there's not anyone else, they're actually able every now and again to chip. And so it's quite cool, right? Quite like you get so caught on what you do to the game in terms of development.
Here, I got it right here. Watch.